Biography Literaria by Samuel Taylor Coleridge. It was published in 1817 and its full title is Biography Literaria or Biographical Sketches of My Literary Life and Opinions. It is an autobiographical literary criticism philosophy and it is a prose treatise of 2 volumes, 23 chapters. Coleridge wrote this work partly to defend his own poetic principles and partly to respond the disagreements with Wordsworth's ideas in the preface to Lyrical Ballads. It is a mixture of autobiography, philosophy, literary criticism, theories of imagination, criticism of Wordsworth, Coleridge's own poetic principles. It has no strict structure and often moves disgracefully between personal and philosophical topics. Purpose of Biographia Literaria. Coleridge wrote it to explain the origin and aims of lyrical ballads, develop a theory of poetry and imagination, respond to Wordsworth's poetic doctrine, present his own ideas on literary taste, genius, and criticism, review German philosophy, especially Kant and Schelling. Chapter-wise overview. First to fourth chapter Coleridge's early life, childhood, schooling, early reading, influence of classical writer, preference for imagination over reason from a young age. 5 to 9 German philosophy, influence of Kant, Jacob Boehme, Lessing, Schelling. Idea that mind actively shapes reality, wishes for his theory of imagination. 10 to 13 theory of imagination. This is most important for the exam. Coleridge divides imagination into two types, primary imagination and secondary imagination. Primary imagination is spontaneous, unconscious, the living power of human perception. All humans have it, a repetition in the finite mind of the eternal act of creation. And secondary imagination, conscious and voluntary, used by poets to reshape and unify experiences, dissolve, diffuses, and recreates almost divine but human. Fancy, mechanical, passive, combines images with creating anything new. Lower faculty compared to imagination. And 14 to 22 criticism of Wordsworth, what he agrees with, use of common language, emotional sincerity, focus on rural life and simplicity, and what he disagrees with. Wordsworth claimed that poetry should use the language of real man. Wordsworth's definition of poetry, and Coleridge argues that poetic language is the fundamentally different from ordinary language. And Coleridge's own definition of poetry, the best words in the best order, and Coleridge's principle of poetry, poetic faith, function of poetry, poet as reconciler, and major themes in Biography Literaria, nature of the human mind, imagination versus fancy, role of the poet, nature of poetic language, and critique of Wordsworth's ideas, autobiography and self-reflection, relationship between poetry and philosophy. Thanks for watching.